Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week 11/21 of 2021 and the stock was LOW. This happened on Wednesday the 17th. It was a trade that lasted pretty much all day. Strategy based on a tier 1 novice gap. It's really a tier 2. I'll review the chart. Doesn't matter what I label it. Entry 1 minute beat the tail is really kind of a half beat the tail, half sell setup type of entry. Management simple and reward to risk 1.5 to 1. We'll review this trade. It was a good week and there were several decent trades like this one. No one outstanding great trade. I don't always pick that one anyhow, but this one has an educational tone to it. We'll discuss that when we get to it. Monday night is the biweekly scanning night at DTS. You can read about it here and you will automatically get your invites if you are a member at DTS. If you're not a member at DTS, if you're seeing this video on YouTube, get over to the DTS homepage and you can see where you can become a member. It's free, no credit card, no risk to your email. You just get educational emails and invites to events such as this one. In addition to Monday being the bi-weekly scanning night, this is a short holiday week. Monday through Wednesday are normal trading days. Thursday, everything is closed for Thanksgiving. And Friday, the markets are open a half day, but DTS is completely closed. There won't be a trading room market letter, nor will there be a weekly market summary for next week. Enjoy your holidays. This is the daily chart of LOW. This is what it looked like the day before the trade. And we're going to gap up to here. So this is counting this as a novice gap on the daily chart. This is a strategy. It's never a favorite of mine. I try and save these for only the really good ones. And they have been very much out of favor in the recent market over the recent months because anything strong tends to get bought even on a gap up. Even things that normally are profit taking. It's been very much a momentum market. But the last couple I have done have worked over the last couple weeks, and we're starting to see a little bit of selling on some of these big moves up. This is not any home run, mostly because I couldn't really get a great entry on it. But we're going to gap up to there. We're going to run higher. I expected it to run higher. I shorted the rally up, so it wasn't too bad of an entry, but it could have been better. This looked like this on the hourly chart. We're going to open right there. We're going to run up. I'm going to get an entry up in there somewhere, and then take targets. We can see that a little bit better on the 5-minute chart here. There is the initial run up, and I ended up shorting it. There's where we opened, and I ended up shorting underneath that bottoming tail. I really wanted to, should have kind of got it up in here somewhere, but those entries I was a little afraid of on this stock because these have been tough trades, so I waited for some weakness, and entry under 252, stop over 255 just actually turned out to be the whole numbers there. It was excellent target taking on this. I can't even in hindsight fault this at all. I just would have liked a little bit better of an entry. It was still a good trade. You got to take that there because if this turns out to go higher, that's going to be the low of the day. That's just how it works. So that was 1/3. And then here you basically fill the gap and I trailed it there. And then the last third was end of the day, which ended up falling again toward the end of the day and made a little bit more money. So good target taking. Entry could have been a little earlier, maybe a little bit tighter the way I ended up doing it. But I think for this trade, it was excellent. And I will start to look at these a little bit more because we're maybe starting to see a little bit of profit taking on some of these bigger moves. And here you can see a little more detail on the 1-minute chart. We open right there. Entry comes there on the 1-minute chart. Target 1 there on that little mini trail, but in the right area. And then target 2 and target 3, of course, are off the chart because this chart only goes till about 11 o'clock. If you like trades like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. If you get over to that DTS homepage, you can figure out how to join us in the trading room. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.